And then we are most often sitting in the computer too long, and the arms is always like that. So we do need to extend ourselves. So as a woman master, let you see if you like what I do. So just find a spacious. So you get ready, relax yourself. Okay, so we can start to have some action. Okay, that's good. So, okay, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna walk, okay, yeah. So it's a bit martial arts, but it's also something very powerful to open the lung energy. So if you'd like to know more what I offer, and I have many things that can help you, and there are free classes online, etc. The link is just below. Join and check it out now.